energy. Ba-da-ba-ba. Is that recording?
Yeah. Ooh, I need to get this on. I need to stop doing this before the video.
Are we the same? This is my nose. Okay, we good.
My nostril.
We good. So first we have these Doritos cheese pizza. It's kind of scary to me. I'm not gonna enjoy this.
She isn't a cheese believer.
Well, I like cheesecake and pizza. And look, the Hulk. Okay. And then our next chip is Lay's. They're like ribs.
Barbecue baked ribs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And our next chip
Is popcorn chicken. So, she has tried these and she tells me they're scary, but won't tell me scary
in a
good
way
or bad
way.
And the thing is, like, you can't say scary and mean that in a good way. Like, ugh. So, okay.
No, it was scary when I first tried them because I didn't know what to expect. Yeah.
Anyway, just like made her.
Yeah.
At Cars Land. Jump scare.
That was scary. Okay.
Nah.
Yeah, man.
Nah.
So if you don't know what these are pea crackers. So which one should we try first?
Cheese pizza. Okay. We should get a whiff of it.
Oh,
right?
you
No,
do it
come on,
first.
whiff. It smells good. Well, it has like a weird chemically smell afterwards.
It smells like cheese.
Cheese is big.
It smells like cheese.
I don't know why it's so big because cheese is life. That's what cheese is.
Oh my god, this.
What? Fine. I guess I'll get a small piece
Oh, bro,
too.
no. But you like cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Well, it's not bad, but it's sweet.
Yeah, the first initial taste is sweet,
Yeah.
but then it dissolves into the corn chip flavor.
Yeah, it's like kind of like kettle corn Doritos, but not that sweet.
It's like tangy sweet. Okay, I'm gonna
It doesn't
try.
taste like cheese pizza at all.
No.
I don't know what flavor they're going for. Well, it's not that bad. Rate it.
2 out of 10.
Oh, so low. I say it's like 5 out of 10. Like,
Okay.
would not again, but
Would
it's edible.
Edible for you.
Fine.
Okay. Next one is which one? This
Oh,
one.
yeah. Oh, this is hype, right? This one.
Yeah, I want to try this
You
one.
open it.
Okay, let's get a whiff. What?
Put it toward yourself. Yourself.
Okay. I'm gonna break this.
Yeah. It sounds like kind of like a saltier barbecue chip.
It smells
Huh.
like just chips.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, let's stop. Okay, so, okay, here we go. Ready?
One shot. It's also kind of, I mean, barbecue, so it's also a little bit sweet.
Not as sweet as the
Yeah, definitely not as sweet as the other one, but it has like an almost there smoky flavor, almost,
almost.
but not there.
Not quite there. The more you eat it, the more you like it. Like the more the flavor comes out.
Yeah, it does. The end does have like this meaty, like aftertaste.
But I think I like it.
You like the ones that you like? Okay. So if I was gonna rate this, 6 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Last one, the long-awaited popcorn chicken.
Yeah. The thing is, I love these in like original, and I haven't had this in forever. Oh yeah. Whatever.
I smell it.
Oh, it does smell like popcorn. It smells like the Asian popcorn chicken. Like if
Yeah.
you went to a restaurant. Actually, that looks like it too. Actually.
Yeah, it
That's-
smells like night market popcorn chicken.
Yeah. Not the American Kentucky.
Nah. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a normal one with powder on it.
seasoning on this is like identical, not identical, but it's very similar to how it would be on actual chicken.
Yeah, yeah, not too bad. It's kind of, well, it's not bland,
Yeah.
but
I mean, okay, like with all three of these, their flavor to me isn't like a kick in your face taste. Like, you taste Cool Ranch Doritos and it's like, I need more of you in my life and I'll die without you. These are kind of,
I'm never gonna get you up. I'm never gonna let you go.
I would choose the regular over this any day.
Me too.
But, yeah. That's 7 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Well, if we were gonna rate them,
Number 1 would be,
this one?
yeah, no, this is number uno. Number,
Numero dos.
yep, and numero 3. Okay.
No.
Me too. Does it taste better?
Still sweet.
Okay.
It's like a kick in the face sweetness initially. And I got crumbs on the floor.
1, 2, 3, 4. Kiss. Okay. Bye.
Bonus round. So, we're gonna do the late July. It's like healthy ranch Doritos. And we're like ranch Dorito fanatics, so
Yeah.
love.
Fangirls.
But I mean, I've tried this and it's good, but it's more corn chip than seasoning.
This is what it looks like.
Those chia seeds though.
It's chip. Kind of
Chia.
thick.
Anyways.
Okay. Okay. Ready.
Go.
Yeah, it vaguely tastes like Cool Ranch Doritos.
I mean, I like to eat healthy, so this is my go-to.
Yeah, if you want to eat healthy, that's good. That's a good substitute. Cause Doritos, my friend.
Nah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Bye.
Bewooga's derpy moments.
Wait, maybe you like covered your face.
Oh, here we go. Oh, thanks.